Hey everybody, Joe Baby here. Recap. So yesterday morning I left Roan Mountain, Tennessee, and now I'm in the Pond Wilderness, and I'm actually in Virginia now. I'm at mile roughly 425. So I got 425 miles in. Yesterday was kind of an interesting day. All day long, it was super nice. Sunny, probably 55, 60 degrees. Perfect for hiking. And then, we knew there was a wind advisory coming. 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts with up to 90 mile per hour gusts. So the plan yesterday, my plan was to either get to a shelter that made sense or get to an area that was protected on the other side of the mountain as to where the wind was going to be blowing to keep from anything happening. So, ended up doing a 20 miler yesterday, which wasn't bad. And got set up right on the side of this mountain. It looked like an old logging road or tractor path. Got set up. Excuse me. Then the winds came. Probably about 2 a.m. And my goodness. One of these days, I'm going to have to just record the sound. Because the sound is enough to scare you. Because you can hear, first off, I would say close to like tropical storm, hurricane force winds. And you can hear trees snapping, which is kind of why I want to be in a shelter. But the shelter that I stopped at was in this high gap, and the wind at 5 o'clock, which was well before the storm, was whipping through there already. So I got out of there and got to this meadow where I camped. So anyway, got out of there about 7:30 this morning. It was still raining. Tent stood up again. It wasn't as bad this time because the location that I picked was so much better than the last big windstorm. But the sounds, they kept me up most of the night. I probably got about 4 hours of sleep. So now I'm in Pond Mountain Wilderness. I don't know, I'm probably 50 some odd miles outside of Damascus, Virginia. And I'm gonna try and do my first 30 miler. I think I'm gonna be able to do that. We'll see what happens. I'll post some pictures and some videos and see if that's gonna happen. So that's what's been going on in my world. Hope you guys have a great day, because I know I am. See you later.